In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get free product from Temu app. I know recently most of you have been seeing different videos of different people that they talk about how they get free product from Temu, and most of you have been wondering that is it actually possible that I can actually get free product from Temu? Yes, you can get free product from Temu. You can also get a highly discounted product also from Temu. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the step by step on how you can get free product from Temu delivered to your doorstep free of charge. If this is the type of video that I like to watch, do it to like this video and also drop your comment in the comment section. If you're yet to subscribe to this channel, do it to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification so that anytime I upload videos like this, you will be the first person to get notification. So come with me, let me show you how you can be able to get free product from Temu. So log into your Temu account. The first thing you need to do to get access to your free product on this app, you click on you. Once you click on you, it will bring you to this interface. Then you click on earn reward. So it will take you to this interface. Then the next thing you need to do, there are two options that is available here that you can use. You can use any of the option. You can use the first option, the second option. So let's just click on the second option. So I'm going to click on claim free. So it will bring you to this interface. So it will ask you to, the next thing is for you to start picking all your products that you want to get from this website. So let me just select this. So I'll click on continue to confirm the product. So I've been able to pack the first product. Then the next thing is for you to pack your second product. So let me also pick this. You select the size, if the product have size or type, you select the one you want. You click on continue, which means I've been able to pack the second product. The next is for me to pack the third product. So let me select this triple stand. Click on continue. Then the next thing is for me to pack the last product that I want. So let me pick this smartwatch. So you select the type that you want. If it has different color, you can select any color of your choice. Then click on continue. So I finally pack all the products. It will bring you to this interface. So you need to confirm your address that you are using. So you can see all the products. They are all free. All the 4 products, they are all free. Then click on confirm. So they will start matching the product with you. So you just have to hold on for some time. So you can see the total worth of the product. So your products are coming, free shipping. So for you to get access to all the products, you need 100 energy to pack each of the 4 products. That means you need a total of 400 energy to pack all the total products. So I'm going to click on pack the gifts. So it's going to pack the first gift. So the first gift is on progress. So they have finally packed the first gift. So there are many 3 gifts for me to pack. So I'll pack the next gift. So I've finished packing the second gift. Then remaining 2 other gifts for me to pack. So I'll click on confirm. I'll click on pack to pack the 3rd gift. So remaining the last gift. So I'll click to get more energy because I still need 100 energy to pack the last gift. So currently I have about 40 energy I mean. So you can share your link to get more energy. So I'll click, then I'll copy. You can copy the link or I'll copy the code to get so let me copy code once you click on that, it will bring you to this interface. Then you copy this code. Then you can send it to someone to download the app. So once you click on it, you will get extra 20 energy, making it to be currently I have about 80 energy. So only 20 energy that's remaining for me to be able to pack this gift. So I can click to share it to a group. So let me say copy link, then send invite. Then you can paste the invite to anybody. So I'll claim another 10 gift, another 10 points. So this is making it 90, so remaining just 10%. So next you can also share it to different group also. So let me say I want to share to Telegram. Then I click on Telegram, then you go and share it to your Telegram. So once you're done, so I'll claim, so I'm going to get 9, which is remaining the last one, which is currently I have about 99. So remaining just 1 energy for me to get total of 100 energy for me to pack the last gift. So I'll wait for them to give me next option or what to do. So this other time, the last option, which means I have to invite a new user to come and get access to it. So I can simply click share with Telegram, or I can use my invite link. So let me click on share to Telegram. So this last option, you must invite somebody, a new user to. So they also gave me, so just remaining 0.1 for me to be able to complete this process. So this is nice. So I wait for the next option they will give to me. So the next option they are giving to me is invite one friend to help you complete the exam. So I'll click on invite complete exam. So you must invite a new user to download the app and register on the app before you can be able to get 1 point that will help you to complete the whole process. So for you to do that, you can copy the link, or you can copy the code and then send it to somebody that have not registered on this app before. Then after you have done that, then you can be able to claim your 4 gifts. So this is the step-by-step. Now you can be able to get free product from Temu app, free of charge, without you paying for those products. If you got value from this video, do it to like this video and also drop your comment on the comment section. If you're here to subscribe to this channel, do it to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification, so that anytime I upload videos like this, you'll be the first person to get notification. So I will see you in my next video.